If you are looking for gift ideas for Valentine's Day, here's our 10 3D prints you can start right now. There are effortless print-in-place designs that triggers zero assembly. Prints that use extra heating to mold flat plastic into 3D shapes, something for fidget toy lovers, or a clever last-minute gift to save the day. Let's take a look at my top 10 picks for the season of love. If you are running low on time but still want something personal, you can print this heart keychain that takes a little over an hour from start to finish. Inside the heart is letters that can be changed to your needs. The best part is that you can change the initials and even change the font right inside your slicer. Just a heads up, keep the letters the same size as the original file or they won't fit. To insert the letters inside the heart, you need to pause printing. If you use Profile from the Maker World, pause is already added. Once the print is finished, just add the keyring and you are done. Next, let's look at design that helps you express your love without saying a single word. It's love sign printed flat with inch, so it's ready to fold the moment it leaves the build plate. And if the two parts happen to come apart, don't worry, they aren't broken, they can snap right back together. This model is advertised as print in place, but I wouldn't quite call it that since there are some assembly required. To get the sign to actually stand up, you have to add a separate support piece. I did have trouble fitting it, and you should also add glue to ensure it isn't coming loose. It would be bad if your love sign falling apart. Besides that, it's a great print that can be done under 1 hour. But maybe your Valentine needs something a bit more interactive. This next one is for the fidget lovers. This one is great combo of a functional keychain and fidget toy. It's a multi-print, so it's easy to make different color combinations. I did run into one issue during assembly. The pins were too tight to fit. You can fix this by scaling the pins down slightly in the slicer. I ended up using force to make them fit. Not the best solution, but it got the job done. It spins smoothly and looks great. It also prints in under an hour, making it a great last-minute option. Compared to the hard keychain showing earlier, this one is slightly smaller and feels more durable. Moving away from keychains, let's talk about something for the animal lovers. It features 2 puppies hugging inside a heart shape. It's a beautiful desk or self-decoration for dog lovers and it looks really nice. It has great details and looks very good printed with single color. If you have some extra time and filament, a multicolor print can make it stand out even more. If puppies aren't their thing, this hugging pairs offers a classic Valentine's look with a satisfying 3D feel. A set of pairs holding letters saving love. The pairs are printed with some supports. The letters are printed separately, making it easy to create different color combinations. You can see the letter shapes on the pairs, which makes it easier to tell what fits together. Some letters fit better than others. This set of pairs makes a nice decoration or a gift for loved ones. If you are not ready to give the full love yet, you can gift the pairs one by one. We are halfway through and things are getting interesting with a print that don't look 3D printed at first. It's the cat with heart. It looks like knitted instead of 3D printed. The parts are separate prints, so you don't need a multicolor printer to make it. The parts fit together without problems. Glue can be used to fix them in place. The heart fitted so tightly that I didn't add any glue. The knitted texture is great for shelf, but now it's time for something with a bit more motion. It's heart-themed fidget spinner. This is the smaller one, spins quite well and dual colors make it nice. To print you need to have good bed adhesion, otherwise you will fail the print. I printed it with AMS, but it can also be printed without it by using manual filament changes during the print. I also printed a bigger one. No parts were stuck or fused together and it spun freely straight off the build plate. The rollers are a bit loose, but they spin fine. I would prefer less play in them. This is where things get technical. Grab your hairdryer, because this next print triggers some post-processing. So the hard pieces are printed with PLA. To thermoform them you also need to print mold. Mold consists of top and bottom part. To print molds it's recommended to use ABS or PTG. I printed with ASA filament. Top mold part has this groove that helps to hold the heart in place. Then you put it over the bottom mold and start heating it. I heated it about 10 seconds and then pushed the top mold down. You need to hold it in place until it cools down. You can also use a hair dryer to speed up the process, but make sure to switch to cold hair. Take it out of the mold and one half is ready. I had hard time fitting the connector on the first heart, but the ones I made afterward were fine. Two halves can screw together with a nut. You can fill them with candies or small items of your choice, making them perfect as gifts. And these are also flexible. Thermoforming makes these hearts a great option. They can be produced much faster and stronger and use less filament compared to fully 3D printed versions. But don't tighten the nut too much, you can break it. If you want to have these 3D prints, but you don't have a 3D printer, you can check out PCBWay. Most people know them for their professional PCB prototyping and assembly, but they also offer a wide range of manufacturing services like CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, and even 3D printing. So if you want to bring your design to life, whether it's electronics, custom enclosure, or parts you can't easily print at home, PCBWay is a great option. We are down to the final two. This next one is designed to give the illusion that the cat is floating away with the balloon. It's printed with supports, but you need to be careful when removing them. I ended up breaking the balloon. Assembly went quite smoothly until I noticed that balloon isn't straight. I tried to rotate it a little bit, but the pin broke off the base. That wasn't too surprising as this pin design isn't very strong. A separate pin printed flat against the bed is much stronger. I did try to glue it back, but it wasn't successful, so I ended up using a screw to fix it to the base. I made a few changes to the print settings. I added fuzzy skin to the side and used ironing to get smoother top surface. I also added the broken balloon piece. Fitting the ribbon around the cat wasn't smooth either. I noticed that it is easier to align it when you install it after you have connected the cat with the base. If we put issues aside, it's a great looking 3D print. I like the floating design, but there's room for improvement. If you like, you can also print small heart-shaped eyes for it. And the last one, the Queen of Hearts detail playing card featuring iconic Disney character. This one is not fast print. It takes more than 8 hours and almost 150 grams of filament to print it. It's surely looking great. It can't stand up by itself, but if you want it to stand up, you can print heart-shaped stand. You can't have a Queen of Hearts without the Her King. To finish the set, we have the matching Mikey card. Together, these aren't just prints, they are a royal duo that looks incredible displayed side by side. The only downside is that you will waste quite much filament when you use AMS. With tool changers or vortex system, the waste amount is much smaller. 10 prints, many ways to show you some love, from last minute keychains to physics defining cats. I hope this list gave you the inspiration you need for your Valentine. All the links are waiting for you in the description. If you enjoyed this lineup, hit the sub button. If you didn't find right prints for you, you can check out my older video of Valentine's Day 3D prints. Thanks for watching.